Dear students, today we'll discuss chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Over here we have the carboxylic acid. So this is the carboxylic acid. Here we have different types of chemical properties. One chemical property, reaction involving carbon-oxygen bond. That means carbon OH bond. Reactions involving carbon-oxygen bond or carbon OH bond. Second one, reaction involving carboxylic acid part. Reaction involving carboxylic acid part or carboxylic acid group. Okay, here third one, reaction involving at hydrocarbon part. This may be hydrocarbon part or aromatic ring. Reaction involving hydrocarbon part or at aromatic ring. Fourth one, reaction involving oxygen hydrogen bond. So the carboxylic acid has oxygen hydrogen bond. Reaction involving oxygen hydrogen bond. Okay, here we have four important types of chemical properties. One is reaction involving carbon OH bond, reaction involving carboxylic acid part, COOH group part, reaction involving hydrocarbon part or aromatic ring, reaction involving OH bond. OH bond, that means here H hydrogen replaced with the metals or metallic compounds. Okay, first we'll see the reaction involving COH bond. First chemical property, reaction involving COH bond. COH bond. Here we have different chemical properties. One is formation of anhydrides. Here we have important chemical properties. Okay, formation of anhydrides. Okay, that means here we'll get the anhydrides. Okay, reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia and reaction with PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride and thionyl chloride, and esterification. That means formation of an ester. These four important chemical properties related to reaction involving in COH bond. Then in continuation we'll see the formation of anhydride, reaction with ammonia and reaction with PCl5, PCl3 and esterification. Okay, first formation of anhydride. First one, formation of anhydrides. How we'll get the anhydrides? Okay, here I am taking one carboxylic acid. Okay, it reacts with another carboxylic acid. Okay, in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide, P2O5, we call it as phosphorus pentoxide. It loses water molecule like this. One hydrogen from the one carboxylic acid, OH from the one carboxylic acid. That means reaction involving carbon oxygen bond. Okay, it loses the water molecule and form anhydride. This is we called as carboxylic acid anhydride. Here I am taking acetic acid. Okay, here I am taking acetic acid, 2 moles of acetic acid. CH3COOH we called as acetic acid. This is acetic acid. Okay, in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide, it loses water molecule and forms, okay, here this molecule, this we called as acetic anhydride. This also indicate with AC2O. That means this part we called as AC. Two parts are there, O, AC2. In most of the cases, we use AC2O or acetic anhydride. Okay, benzoic acid. You take benzoic acid. This is a benzoic acid. Okay, here these 2 moles of benzoic acid. In the presence of phosphorus pentoxide, it loses water molecule like this. What happen? We'll get benzoic anhydride. Okay, this is benzoic anhydride. This we called as benzoic anhydride. Okay, what is this reaction? 2 moles of carboxylic acid involves in dehydration. Okay, in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide form the anhydride. Acetic acid forms acetic anhydride. Benzoic acid forms benzoic anhydride. Benzoic acid forms benzoic anhydride. This is the first chemical property, reaction involving carbon OH bond. Then second chemical property, reaction with ammonia. The carboxylic acids are acids. Ammonia is base and form the here addition product. Okay, by heating of that addition product we get the amides and other products. Okay, here second chemical property, reaction with ammonia. Okay, here you take carboxylic acid, reacts with ammonia. Okay, reacts with ammonia and forms, okay, RCOONH4 plus. This we called as ammonium carboxylate. This ammonium carboxylate undergoes, okay, it loses, okay, here it loses water. And forms C double bond O NH2 amide and form the amide. Okay, amides are formed when carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia. Okay, forms an intermediate, that is ammonium carboxylate. It loses water, that means dehydration. Okay, and forms amide. Here I am taking acetic acid, CH3COOH. It reacts with ammonia, forms CH3COONH4. This we called as ammonium acetate. It loses water and forms CH3C double bond O NH2. Okay, this we called as acetamide. It loses water molecule and form the, okay, here acetamide. And you take benzoic acid. Okay, it is benzoic acid. Reacts with ammonia and form ammonium benzoate. From the addition product ammonium benzoate. This is called as ammonium benzoate. It undergoes dehydration and forms benzamide, C double bond O NH2. This we called as benzamide. Okay, you take phthalic acid. What is the phthalic acid? Its 2 COOH groups are present on adjacent carbon atom. If, okay, in benzene ring, 2 COOH groups are present at adjacent carbon atom. We called as phthalic acid. This we called as phthalic acid. Talic acid reacts with 2 moles of ammonia, forms COONH4, COONH4. This we called as diammonium phthalate. Diammonium phthalate. It undergoes dehydration. What happens? Here we'll get C double bond O NH2, C double bond O NH2. This we called as phthalamide. C double bond O NH2, C double bond O NH2, we called as phthalamide. This loose ammonia molecule. Okay, here H and here NH2. Loose ammonia molecule and forms C double bond O. Okay, here NH. This we called as phthalimide. What is the reaction? Phthalic acid reacts with 2 moles of ammonia, forms diammonium phthalate. It undergoes dehydration and forms phthalamide. Okay, it loses ammonia molecule and forms phthalimide. Here C double bond O and forms phthalimide. This is the important reaction for 3 marks. Okay, this is about the reaction with ammonia. Then in continuation we'll see the reaction with PCl5, that means phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride, SOCl2, we called as thionyl chloride. SOCl2 we called as thionyl chloride. Okay, see here reaction. When carboxylic acid reacts with all these reagents, PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2, we'll get only one product, that is acid chloride. Remaining byproducts are there. Okay, third chemical property, reaction with PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2. Okay, here I am taking only carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid reacts with PCl5. What happened? First we'll get R C double bond O Cl. One chlorine replace OH and form the R C double bond O Cl, that is called acid chloride. Okay, here one Cl and H reacts with each other, forms HCl, and here oxygen is there and PCl3 is there, forms POCl3, we called as phosphonyl chloride. When carboxylic acid reacts with PCl5, form the acid chloride along with the hydrochloric acid and POCl3, phosphonyl chloride, as a byproducts. Okay, here I am taking carboxylic acid, again reacts with PCl3. Here I am taking 3 moles of carboxylic acid, reacts with PCl3. Okay, here 3 OHs are replaced and forms 3 moles of acid chloride. Along with acid chloride, here we get the phosphorus acid, H3PO3, phosphorus acid. This is the byproduct. Okay, when carboxylic acid reacts with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, forms here R C double bond O Cl plus sulfur dioxide removed, H is there, one Cl is there, HCl. Here the byproduct is SO2. Okay, here when acetic acid or benzoic acid, okay, instead of methyl group if you use phenyl, we called benzoic acid. If you use methyl, we called as acetic acid. Okay, what happened? Okay, here I am writing product. In presence of PCl5, we'll get Here we'll get the CH3 C double bond O Cl. Okay, if you use PCl5, we'll get CH3 C double bond O Cl acetyl chloride. Along with that, hydrochloric acid and phosphonyl chloride. Okay, if benzoic acid involves, we'll get the benzoyl chloride byproduct same. Okay, in the presence of PCl3, okay, here it forms 3 moles of acetyl chloride along with the phosphorus acid, H3PO3 we called as phosphorus acid, form the phosphorus acid. If you use benzoic acid, we'll get the benzoyl chloride and phosphorus acid. Okay, SOCl2. Okay, if you use acetic acid or benzoic acid, reacts with, okay, SOCl2 forms acetyl chloride or benzoyl chloride. Acetyl chloride or benzoyl chloride, sulfur dioxide as byproduct, hydrochloric also has byproduct. Okay, this is the reaction with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. Next chemical property here, esterification. The formation of ester from the carboxylic acid and alcohol. From the carboxylic acid and alcohol we called as esterification. Yesterday we discussed one topic, saponification. It is opposite reaction to, okay, esterification reaction. Okay, fourth chemical property, okay, which is involving carbon OH bond esterification. Esterification, formation of an ester. Okay, here I am taking carboxylic acid, reacts with alcohol, okay, in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, mineral acid. What happened here? OH and here H. It loses water molecule and forms RC double bond O R. RC double bond O R we called as ester. See the mechanism for this reaction. This is the important mechanism. Okay, most of the cases it will come in PU level, 3 marks. Esterification mechanism. Step 1. Concentrate sulfuric acid. Here I am writing only H2SO4. It forms H plus ion and HSO4 minus. This proton reaction with carboxylic acid in second step. Step 2. Okay, carboxylic acid or C double bond O H. Here electrons are transferred from, okay, this is electrophilic center, always electron transfer from carbon to oxygen. Oxygen gets negative charge and carbon gets positive charge. So this negative charge reacts with the positive charge. Okay, here electrons are transferred from carbon to oxygen. So carbon gets positive. Okay, here oxygen gets negative charge. This oxygen reacts with H plus ion and OH, and here OH. This is the step 2. This is, okay, unstable carbonium ion. This is unstable carbonium ion. Step 3. This carbonium ion reacts with alcohol. Alcohol is nucleophile. Okay, it is electron rich molecule. In alcohol, oxygen has 2 lone pair of electron. In that, one of electron transferred towards, okay, electron deficient carbon, that is unstable carbonium ion, and form the bond between oxygen and carbon. What happened? See, OH, here OH, here oxygen or hydrogen with positive charge. This is the oxonium. This is the tetrahedral intermediate. tetrahedral oxonium ion are intermediate. Okay, tetrahedral intermediate lose H plus ion. Lose the H plus ion by the donating towards the positive charged oxygen. Positive charged oxygen. What happened here? R, C, OH, here OH, O and R. Okay, here we'll get the one molecule. Here this carbon has two OH groups. Already I said so many times. Okay, the carbon which has two same functional group, that is unstable carbon. It always lose the water molecule. Here oxygen hydrogen, these oxygen hydrogen electron transfer towards carbon. Then a carbon becomes electron rich, it lose the OH minus. It lose the OH minus. That means it lose in the form of H plus, it lose in the form of OH minus. It lose the finally water. After that what happened? Or here C double bond O R forms an ester. Forms an ester. This is the mechanism for the esterification. Okay, when acetic acid, when carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, okay, it undergoes dehydration, forms an ester. It involves in three steps. Step 1, sulfuric acid lose the H plus ion. In step 2, H plus ion attacks on carboxylic acid, form the unstable carbonium ion. In step 3, alcohol attacks on unstable carbonium ion, forms tetrahedral intermediate. Finally, it loses the water and H plus ion, forms an ester. This we called as esterification. Okay, see the reaction. See the reactions of some of the important reactions of esterification. Important reactions of esterification. When acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol, when acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol, okay, what is the acetic acid? CH3COOH reacts with ethyl alcohol in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. It loses water molecule, forms here OH and here H. What you will get here? CH3, COO, C2, H5. This we called as ethyl acetate. Always OH group is removed from carboxylic acid only, not from the alcohol. This can be confirmed by the substitution of isotopic oxygen. Substitution of isotopic oxygen. Here I am taking benzoic acid. Benzoic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. Okay, here we'll get the C2H5. Ethyl benzoate. This we called as ethyl benzoate. To take any carboxylic acid, suppose orthonitrobenzoic acid or salicylic acid, orthonitrobenzoic acid or salicylic acid or formic acid. Okay, formic acid. For example, this reacts with phenol. Phenol also one of the alcohol. This reacts with ethyl alcohol. Okay, this also reacts with ethyl alcohol or propyl alcohol. Okay, write the products and write the names. Write product and names of compound. Okay, now this is about an esterification and first chemical property reaction involving in carbon OH bond. Then in continuation we'll see the reaction involving in carboxylic acid group. When reaction involving in carboxylic acid group, we have two important chemical properties. Here we have two important chemical properties. One is reduction and second one is reduction and second one is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. Okay. Second chemical property, reaction involving in COOH group. Here we have two chemical properties. One is reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or loss of oxygen, we called as reduction. Carboxylic acid easily undergoes reduction in the presence of strong reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride and diborane, not in the presence of sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is mild reducing agent. It never reduces carboxylic acid. Okay, what are the products? When carboxylic acid involves in reduction, okay, first form the aldehyde, then it form the primary alcohols. Here I am taking one carboxylic acid. Okay, it undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride and acid. First it loses the oxygen. Okay, and form the aldehyde. Loss of oxygen is called reduction. In the present, it is a strong reducing agent. It also undergoes further reduction. That means add the hydrogen. Add one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. Okay, what happened? R, here it becomes CH2OH. We'll get the primary alcohol. You take any carboxylic acid. Here I am taking acetic acid. Undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, forms acetaldehyde. It loses oxygen. Acetaldehyde, and add the hydrogen in the presence of same reagent. Add the hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, and form the CH3CH2OH. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol. This is the one important reaction, reduction. Okay, reduction can be done in the presence of carboxylic acid undergoes reduction. Okay, in the presence of strong reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, not in the presence of mild reducing agent sodium borohydride. Okay, this is about the reduction. Then we'll see the decarboxylation. What is the meaning of decarboxylation? Removal of carbon dioxide we called as decarboxylation. Okay, removal of carbon dioxide we called as decarboxylation. This decarboxylation can be done by using two methods. One, presence of soda lime. This is called Duma reaction. Okay, presence of soda lime, and second one is Kolbe electrolysis. Okay, here I am explaining first one. Okay, presence of soda lime. What is the soda lime? Sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. We called as soda lime. This reaction we called as Duma reaction. Okay, what is that reaction? You take carboxylic acid. Okay, you take carboxylic acid in presence of soda lime. It undergoes decarboxylation, means removal of carbon dioxide, and forms hydrocarbon. Here also take acetic acid or benzoic acid. Okay, in the presence of same reaction, reagent, what happened? Acetic acid loses carbon dioxide, forms methane. Benzoic acid loses carbon dioxide, forms benzene. And one more reaction is there. Okay, Kolbe electrolysis. Okay, here hydrocarbon salts of carboxylic acid, salts of carboxylic acid undergoes electrolysis in the presence of water and form the hydrocarbons by the decarboxylation reaction. We called as that one coal-based electrolysis. Okay, next I will explain the coal-based electrolysis. This is the Dumas reaction. Okay, then we will move into the coal-based electrolysis. Okay, by using this coal-based electrolysis, we will prepare so many hydrocarbons. Ethane, ethane. Okay, second one, coal-based electrolysis. Okay, here I am taking CH3COO-Na, 2 moles of sodium acetate. 2 moles of sodium acetate. This is the first one. 2 moles of sodium acetate. Okay, add the water. HOH. Pass the electricity. What happened? It lose. Okay, here it lose the CO2. It lose CO2. These two are connected with each other and forms CH3 plus 2 moles of carbon dioxide. This we called as ethane. These two compounds formed at anode. Along with this, what we have here, sodium is there, OH is there. 2 moles of NaOH along with hydrogen gas was evolved. 2 hydrogens are there. Hydrogen gas was evolved at cathode. Okay, here it loses the carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. The removal of carbon dioxide we called as decarboxylation. This coal-based electrolysis also, okay, we called as decarboxylation. Okay, here I am taking this molecule. This malic acid. This we called as malic acid. Okay, or disodium maleate. You will take disodium maleate. Salts of sodium salt of malic acid. Sodium salt of malic acid. Or okay, here I am taking this molecule COO-Na. This is we called as disodium succinate. Disodium maleate, disodium succinate. Okay, add water. Here also add water. Okay, pass the electricity. Here also pass the electricity. What happened? It lose CO2, CO2. Okay, this part forms CH triple bond CH. Okay, ethine. Okay, this part forms ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, ethene. Here we'll get the 2 moles of carbon dioxide, lose hydrogen, 2 moles of NaOH. These two formed at cathode, these two formed at anode. Okay, here 2 moles of CO2, H2 plus 2 moles of NaOH. These two formed at cathode, these two formed at anode. This removal of carbon dioxide we called as decarboxylation. By using coal-based electrolysis, we will prepare ethane from the sodium acetate. Okay, ethine from the disodium maleate. Okay, and here ethene from the disodium succinate. This is about the decarboxylation. Okay, by the coal-based electrolysis, by the Dumas method and reduction. These are the